Greetings, everyone. Merry Christmas in June. Rod Nightingale here, coming to you from the my home studio, the woodshed of the C4 Influence. I want to present to you a little something that I like to call Poor Man's Grooves, the common drummer's guide to playing. Here, I'll be sharing different types of drumming tips, ideas, clinics, helpful information that I've gathered over the years from some of my favorite players, uh, some of my friends, a lot of the people I've played with over time, and some good stuff, some good information, and just want to keep the cycle going. Continue to pass it on, help somebody else just like it helped me. Um, so just stay tuned. You can check my website www.rodnightingaleondrums.com, as well as you can check out YouTube, the C4 Influence, and even Facebook, Rod Nightingale plus the C4 Influence. So stay tuned. Like I said, take what you get, uh, marinate on it, keep the cycle going. Uh, Everybody loves good music. Anyway, as you can see in the background, this is a little setup I've been playing my last couple of gigs. Uh, I moved back from the West Coast. I was living in Portland, so played a lot of coffee shops, a lot of Saturday, Sunday farmer market type situations, and didn't always want to pack your whole kit everywhere you went. So I came up with a little something where I could put all the pieces in one big duffel bag, and uh, like most places, Portland has a good transit system, so I can throw everything in a duffel bag. If I didn't want to drive, get it on the Max line, or if you're in New York, get on the subway line, mount out, go play, get your groove on, quick setup, get back home. So I'm gonna walk over here and show you what I got. Uh, Start off here. I have a CB700 drum pedal that I had laying around. It was a piece and partless, so I put some stuff together. Like I said, Poor Man's Grooves, common drummer's guide to playing. Took an old belt out the closet that really wasn't wearing, and as you notice, of course, with most kick pedals, you hit it upright against the bass drum. Where I flipped this and inverted it around so that it hits up. Because as you notice, I'm gonna sit it up under a floor tone so I can get that bass feel on the bottom. So. As you can see, right here, I have a 16 by 18 floor tone, 8.5 by 13 snare. Thanks to the guys at Dark Horse Percussion and Drums. Big shout outs to Anthony. I love my kit. Over here I have a 16-inch Crash Sabian and a set of 12-inch Sabian splashes mounted together hi-hat style. So I'm gonna sit here. Like I said, this is something where if you're playing the smaller venues like cafes, coffee shops, places where you really can't get your big massive kit on stage, this is something where you could take with you, and later on I'll incorporate. I got my octopad going because you might be playing with a sax player, guitar player, piano player, whatnot, and you might be using a loop station. So show you how it sounds, just live by itself, as well as with the accompaniment of a loop or a track. So here we go. That's for you early morning Saturday guitar center type people that go and all the kids are like, All that racket to wake you up. Anyway, like I said, got the hi-hat going here. Feels real good. Like pretty much most drummers, I'm a pre-K. Grew up playing in the church, so if you want to get your little praise break going, it's always a good type of situation for that too. Yeah, that's how it goes. All right. I've been playing with some sticks, Get some brushes going here. Got the classic wire brushes. Might be playing a jazz gig or something. Might be a venue where you're playing and it calls for sticks, but you want to kind of ease back. I know, like I weigh 230, so sometimes I have to use toothpicks. So if you got some of those hot sticks, more with the molded brush kind, you can use those. Kind of like a healthy medium between a stick and a wire brush. So again, it's a little healthy medium, like I said, between a wire brush and a stick. Use those hot rods. Now I'm gonna put on a track, kind of play over the top of it, so you can get a feel of, the mini kit along with the track, and get another sound for what it sounds like. there you have it. Uh, like I say, Rod Nightingale here, coming to you from the woodshed of the C4 Influence, presenting to you Poor Man's Grooves, the Common Drummer's Guide to Playing. Uh, like I said, just look for it. Check the website, rodnightingaleondrums.com, YouTube, Facebook. Hit me up. Let me know what you think. Let's keep the cycle going. Share and spread, share and spread. Iron sharpens iron, just as one man sharpens another. Peace and God bless. See you again soon.